The year is far spent, and I bet you don't want to be left oblivious of the handguns that rule the market in 2024. It might actually take trying them out yourself to understand why they think they deserve a special video. The handguns I'm about to introduce to you are the hottest ones of the year. These ones look the prettiest, feel the smoothest, and perform the best. Want to spend some cash on some pretty girls that perform like bad boys? The handguns you're about to discover are the ones to splash your money on. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did in making it. There's some valuable information here, and if you find it helpful, do encourage us by subscribing to our channel to join our community and hit the like button on the video so more people can discover it. Alright, now let's take a sweet tour of the hottest pistols of 2024 you need to know. If you have seen or used striker-fired pistols, you would understand that they are powerful guns. But with that much power comes a greater danger of accidental discharge. And that's why this gun has a double trigger safety. But that's not even all about this pistol. The VP9 is also exceptional in its ergonomics and reliability. The pistol features a polymer frame that's lightweight yet robust, paired with a cold hammer forged barrel known for its longevity and accuracy. The VP9 is designed with an adjustable grip system, allowing users to customize the grip size to fit their hand, making it accessible for anyone with various hand sizes. This pistol has a price range of $650 to $850 to get it off the market. If you've ever wondered what it's like for a pistol to have all the new features but still operate like a typical 1911 in accuracy, performance, and reliability, the Wesson Combat EDC X9 is the best handgun to give you that feeling. It's a double-stack, single-action hammer-fired pistol with a durable metal frame. It has that crisp trigger 1911s are known for and is equipped with the same takedown system for easy cleaning and maintenance. This pistol was built by the American manufacturer with intense quality and attention to detail. The EDC X9 comes with two 15-round magazines and an 18-round magazine option. It's optics ready with a checkered slide to reduce glare and front and rear serration. It's optics ready with a checkered slide to reduce glare and front and rear serration. Its front side is fiber optics and the rear side is adjustable. The Wesson Combat EDC X9 is highly ergonomic with a comfortable grip imprinted with the starburst pattern. It doesn't come cheap though. It's as expensive as it is efficient with a price that could run over $2,000. Every day, shooting only gets better with the Springfield Echelon. The interchangeable grips makes it easier for customizations to fit hand size. Whether you want to go out on the range for a nice shooting time or just want something new for a change, this full-size pistol gives you the satisfaction of firing a well-engineered pistol. It's designed to accommodate a wide range of red dot sights for enhanced accuracy. The smooth slide rack is another thing that makes the Echelon a pleasure to shoot, and you don't have to worry about its weight. Its steel slides and polymer frame contribute to its weight of 23.9 ounces. The Springfield Echelon is a multi-purpose handgun that's highly reliable and easy to operate. With a 17+1 round magazine capacity, the Springfield Echelon has a crisp trigger of about 4 to 5 pounds. Really, it's one of those striker-fired pistols you just can't get enough of. The adaptive grip texture is mild to the touch, and just like the name implies, the longer you hold it, the more it adjusts to feel better in your hand. Its interchangeable backstrap comes in small, medium, and large sizes to give you a better fit. There are suppressor-ready models available. All the great features of the Springfield Echelon go for a decent price of $600. Not bad if you ask me. Not bad if you ask me. Number 4. CZ P10C. CZ doesn't leave lefties out of the picture with the P10C. Talk about a brand that presents quality at sometimes an unbelievable price, and the CZ comes to mind. At about $300, these pistols offer great value. The CCP-10C is chambered in 9mm, and as the C in its name suggests, it's designed to be compact. The reinforced polymer frame makes it lightweight, 26 ounces heavy to be exact, and its magazine holds 15 rounds. It's a good concealed carry option with an ambidextrous mag release and catch, slide stop and slide lock, as well as an adjustable back strap and an excellent ergonomic design. The grip texture of the P10C is quite aggressive and could cause skin irritation, but apart from that, the grip helps to greatly absorb the recoil. The gun's grip is relatively high, which helps prevent slight bites and maintains a firm and comfortable hold. The Smith & Wesson Model 629 is a build-up on Model 29, the first .44 Magnum production revolver. After the Model 29 was featured in the popular movie Dirty Harry, the handgun became very popular, and then the Model 629 came after it, new and improved. The Smith & Wesson Model 629 is a versatile handgun ideal for home defense, self-defense, and recreation. The Model 629 is a double-action, single-action revolver with a variety of versions, but on this one, we review the version with a 6-inch barrel. It's the stainless steel version of the Model 29 and features the S&W end frame. You best believe this one isn't one of the lightweight tactical handguns. It's very heavy and your hands could get sore from just holding it for even a few minutes, so it's not a handgun beginners will be fond of or should even consider. It weighs 48.3 ounces, and that's a lot of weight to want to handle unprepared. And of course, it has that long trigger pull, but with every release of a .44 Magnum ammo is the release of a dangerous shot. To add the Smith & Wesson Model 629 to your collection, you only need about $949. For a pistol that's priced around $600 to $700 with exceptional features, popularity is a must. I don't think you even need to be told that this pistol is making waves in 2024 because it's obvious. Glock 19 Gen 5 is the latest evolution of one of the most popular and reliable handguns on the market. It builds on the success of its predecessors and offers several improvements and enhancements that make it an even more attractive option for shooters and concealed carriers. It offers improved ergonomics with a more aggressive grip texture, ambidextrous slide stop lever, and reversible magazine catch that makes it more comfortable and user-friendly for a wider range of shooters. The modular backstrap system allows for further customization, ensuring a perfect fit for any hand size. The Glock 19 Gen 5 also boasts improved accuracy and reliability thanks to its Glock Marksman Barrel GMB and NDLC finish, which provide better corrosion resistance and durability. Who would see all these and run from it? It's not just hype, it's sheer quality that makes this pistol so popular in 2024. My number one best budget 9mm pistol is the phenomenal 6 Sauer P320. It has an amazing light trigger pull and a quick reset. The radius sight and standard recoil even allows a novice to shoot accurately, and although I'm an experienced shooter, I love something light with seamless handling now and then. Going for less than $600, the 6 Sauer P320 has a 15-round magazine capacity. Disassembly and reassembly of its parts are a breeze. I've run 6,000 plus rounds through it without a hiccup. The grip is more tapered, the undercut trigger guard allows your hand to hold the gun further up, and the beaver tail has been contoured, enhancing firm contact and comfort. So, there you have it, guys. What do you think about these hottest pistol picks of 2024? Do you find them appealing, or are there others you'd rather have on the list? Have you shot any of these before? Let us know all of your thoughts in the comments down below, and please share your experiences. Let's keep the comments buzzing. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. If you don't want to miss out on any of our latest updates, ensure you turn on notifications for all of our videos, and we'll be sure to upload quality content to keep you informed. Thanks for watching, and see you again in another video.